Visual Radio, meaning the Diana Bakufia Sante. Now, on the issue of LGBTQ, what are the concerns of the minority? Senior, Diana Bakufia Santini, EZRA Visual Radio, that's it. I want to say, yeah, Senior, but what you mean? Great. And I pay me perceive for a clear understanding. And can him say, yeah, change of parliament be pass it. My pass here, but the minority appears to have several concerns. Ghana near OT man of Pempacho, a DNA missing. Our this bill more. I'm a Ghana for any quasi energy.
Meda was it. Now, make your TF4. Now, my pass MPP, yasem a tiawa. It was not the party's position or party's, if anything, campaign message to anybody in this country say, you better pass the LGBTQ bill. Yeah, memo 2016, yeah, the campaign manifesto bano. Nothing of that was in the campaign. 2020, nothing of that sort was in the campaign. Somewhere along the line, Ena NDC 4 Makumako 7, Ena NPP ni Baku, Equity private members bill. Tisenia, Yenia A+ say, Opeso pass bill bina owa, na say ye akolani DNA test ni, Sana we sutien on the buy. On the buy, in fact, our parliament, not a hot parliament, 137. In that parliament, not no shit. In fact, there were a lot of controversy surrounding this LGBTQ bill. In fact, you are seen as anti-LGBT, una who promote it, and I want also social, and I want their own person of mine parties are bill. No? People had a lot of issues about the bill. At time, the NDC and the sponsors of the bill were not ready to listen to anything or anybody. Omo championing, yes, sir. Copy said bill we pass it. Bill we pass it, then a few people within the country at the case echo court. Court and jante parliament said parliament and made the tabuato so said me ma kwan e ma won fa bill no enkoma president Akufo-Addo. Asem adamani me enkan the year intinuation between the speaker and the chief justice. Copy said speaker catch chief justice said parliament is they are masters of their own laws. So they will go ahead. And no man, the secretary of the president, extra character command speaker says, speaker in the patrol. What? Yeah, Attorney General 2 years for sale. Court the tabo ato bill no so. Enti yesrewu. Yempe court wasembia. Enti yemfa bill no emba. Kopin say, one court be ye mwasem no mokan. Then you know that ye campaign, here MPP, yen pass bill no another some pass then some bill. Dania software wokumu unite here. Ena nyamia do munya to me na mo baya. Say na mo who say bill no and some bi na nkofo no kanu ebi ye no kre. Enyam ani bi no agose bi free mu. To akoso kra asama exemptions under the bill. And that is where the problem of the minority is. Yes, say send your bill me no TSCC and yepe. Nia na mo pese mo de koma Akufo-Addo. Enye no na mo de kwa former John Mahama no. Bill no Ghana fo nyina anti ase bill no enyepe. Ye so too. A day the society ya enedie munya to me wie no. When you said you adwene no abamutin sisi a. In fact, bibia e clear. The emotion monsa carry into afedie mo aba fo say mo be sisania manoa nipa bi kan no anya atwom no ene e pese Ghana fo ehu ne etoto me ensa bia wona da ho no enu sem na no ubeku bi e o ba di fofo ubeku bi o Children's Act ubeku bi o Marriage Act ubeku bi o Criminal Act ubeku bi o Constitution the Constitution e kura bra LGBTQ. Entino, nanke hu ni say ye be pass bill. Ni ntia bill no at the back parliament ni say maybe back room ha na LGBTQ ho asem no na ba be topic because na ye promote the ultimate nam drive no who billboards are a promote LGBT ultimate who nipa eto ho asem campaign yenji omuntu in fact yen kola ni school books mu kra no ye de ko shemu se nkola ni fia se bibi sei wo ho eno ne ma ye yes ye be yes abill no na ye de abrasa promotion no sa advocacy no sa campaign no sa funding no inti se what no yes yes titulu no eno ne cross down no eno ne prohibition no and only prohibition against advocacy, and only prohibition against promotion, and only prohibition against funding or sponsoring. Now, what for your better? Nipa and what potential say, or more promoting, or more sponsor, or more championing, or more advocating. What is them to? That you said, no, now passing. What some nipa no pay us at the end coin say. So the minority is saying that sa exemptions na wa mano and the no so take the exemptions out. That bill no 20 years no and yes idea na bill now pass here no and for so be a bill no. That is the position of the minority.
Now also for in Team Fojo was part of the sponsors. At the committee level, no one confirm who the floor of Parliament and Sana on making kind final reading.
That was it. On the floor of Parliament on Friday, the lead sponsor of the bill, Honorable John Team Fojo, I can't do that and Maria Simina TSA. Star cross 9 wo mo ndi hu nkomo Star cross 9 na de fufura onhuye ye parliament mra no man ho kwan se bi nse wa committee ho na ma kwati bi atu na report number na nyesa na muji tu mu a ho kwan se enti sa asem na mo ka se na mo committee ni na mo committee ni o mo fan to nchen ye wo committee ni so ampa mo kwa ye report na ye report ni ma mo na mo ye report me the person one can be report no e was say with this sponsors ne copy na one mo share report ni e yo e ma o mo ansa na o di abadem go bisa o mo say o mo ma sponsor be copy ana nti for do enya copy e friend say honorable Tampuli enya copy honorable me enya copy honorable Nuruddin enya copy honorable Kabiru enya copy honorable Tampuli enya copy what enya copy. We only got the copy on the floor of Parliament. And the BNC who can say you copy on the floor of Parliament. Me once a more my anchor because yet now the committee mundia. A Parliament and Rabbi and
the suggest is that Mrebia is subject to reviews and amendment even after pass and after assent. And the other Namuma President Assentiwie was its oppression. Sense Saibu Hua. But everybody me suggest okay, that is admissible when a near man where mu bill na back here na year jumano and na mu say oh ade problem ho ade problem ho na that more amending not when yes problem no attach now say this is a problem. See that no numbers no ebe bully yeah later yen be amendments who does that argument better no sabi the constitution it is only when constitution no juma and now be who say cross be wo I will see a training cross be wo I will see a training not when you are doing the law. Now be a raising point in the argument say particularly no be attitude the sponsor raising law says and there we know and yeah no na me can ye and no be mo e be say me bill na me dey buy me ni free mu me nya ho hwe me pass here no baba ya me no penny say we yeke na I excuse here or me be sabi ato
adeɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛn ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛadwene nkɔ so ɛnyɛ sɛ obi antwe yɛadwene nkɔ so obi ate yɛadwene nkɔ so yɛhu yɛaka ho asɛm wosi wontie paase wie a ɛna woba later no aba bɛyɛ amendment nipa no a otimi promote bill no promote ɛfɛ ne sɛ LGBT no they are the NGOs they are the international organization some George Cross Ace Commission for a promoting gay saa nipa no why you not free mu why you not free mu brano ɛho here
now Senior J my concern reading the changes are about our clause 9 hono. The first one sought to criminalize a medical professional, a journalist, an advocacy person, almost a commenter and answer, almost talking up or reporting about this and even research. And you think, sir, young fancy will be great radio so now it'll be our report. You think that this is right?
We propaganda and that is the twist we are put into the bill. Mami Atayi Oko we are there. The say no one for lawyer now.
Of a lawyer. Ye jelly no lawyer ni kobi. That be.
Ana obi what you krumu ha say me o start journalism what you krumu ha say lawyer bi akwa defend a murderer. E ma yaka say lawyer ni a murderer da.
Not at all.
So are they telling us that the 8th Parliament bill now will pass here now? Almost a Kufuado and sign. Not that bill, no, it will criminalize a lawyer from going to perform his legal duties. Is that what they are telling us? Muchao, the Radian Nipomuha, as a lawyer, and as a doctor, and as a nurse, or share Obia, or HIV patient. Not just one of man is Nana said, also your HIV patient. You know, sir. The Constitution protects all these professionals already. The rights of the LGBT form, the promotion of the rights are done by legal persons. Lawyers, they promote the rights, no. So it is not the legal profession say who could defend it, no. And advocacy. It is the promotion of the act. Also, research findings. But LGBT are some OTW. Any radio show, any TV show, any news portals, any journals, any internet, any website show. Think what these are academics and natural. LGBT phones so are holding influential. It show be a cheap. No, academic publications to promote it for anything. That is the point we are raising. Media for Osatita we media. One report LGBT as a movie of a choda.
Because I'm ready anyway, sir.
And Timrana over the buy a full front so until be as all report LGBT until. So what was the sad next year? Next is my boyfriend. Next is a woman the bill will be sad for my for the so on sign. That is not the bill. Be any more anything
to way dear Nasa and I'm so I think say to I will be with my advocates.
Yes, it's on the say. Think the Wasemra. Now, man will be a bohu de man will be a Kahwasem, man will be a young who be. Now, Casse, lawyer need a Sadiano and Chino, doctor need a Sadian and Chino, and then say journalist the Sadian and Chino. There's a journalist need your count once and one, yes, you know, doctor me or young went or promoter, yes, you know. This is what you are doing here. Because doctor or the professional medical worker will be in your stem.
But senior, you read the letters and the spirit of the. You understand the spirit because the promoter the spirit. But as reading the letters of the bills, Nadia. I think it was not explicit, say, and I expressly stated, say, or can't want someone of anything. But it was about them reporting it, but not necessarily advocating it. And I'm what?
And I'm bisa say, who reporting status or reporting? Ubi a choda.
There be some rebi any hosa.
Thank you. It's in none of the buyer said for don't sign. Now I will musa na say report.
That is what they seek to make us understand. They said those people were banned from commenting and reporting or discussing it.
What it means is that who plan one sign bill no dada because no any bill no musa. Bibi any bill no musa. Said sa no mu cancel dia. Let's say we a man boy for say what the bibi shares our bill no musa for don't sign. You see my argument?
I do understand, but all this, I'm not president. I will UK or say bill no crown my pass there, but it has a lot of stages and son was sent it. Quorum crown Baba so be raising a lot of concerns. And then I go so
me didn't we are the president we are papa. Check them catch on. NPP, this was not our problem. The LGBTQ brought this problem. In fact, John Mahama made a political capital out of it. Timing can't tell me and Ghana for said, each parliament bill now will pass here, Onim Hushi, and I said, Onima dear womb. Timing can't tell me a billion air coffee, Onima dear womb. In fact, Attorney General now say Attorney General never advised. Attorney General is a member of Parliament of a bill way. And he knows already. And the idea of the campaign, that's all the sign. Now, you capitals in Yamanino. You don't even have to go through all this process. Sign. Yeah, you put the penny plus 9 of assumptions now, but we assign. And let me say on your program, say, let nobody lie to you, say, the cross had anything in there, say, or report LGBT. I bet you one more. I had this phone throwing me. As an on my time cross me na obi o say ojini or no emra on tell me the idea ye ka say lawyer ni ko gina mu e ko di asema LGBTQ ni a ye beti no and a doctor ni o provide medical services a ye beti and a journalist o report on LGBTQ issue a ye beti nowhere in the act, nowhere in the law. It's the thing that was said. Yeah, protection and not say protection against the offender advocacy. Now, where them is any papu?
Senior, beyond the press conference, the discussion, what next practically seek to restore hope at the map building?
Leadership be taking decision. Yeah, your position is clear. Say, bill no, near Nunua, yeah, can was and yepe. Yeah, and some of the arguments they are giving, Krano, see, you can't see a bed yard to more. Let's just say, in fact, Omukrano, they are some big group of people. Nanka, Omupese at the Bonnie Ebakum, faith laws to come to this country. Says our arguments now, more you know, say, now, a radio presenter, our presenter, yeah, has them to me and says arguments no more. Like I said, nothing say, and Rana more possible. Say, Ubi Kokanwa, a media person Kokanwa Sama, you're betting, and I'm passing here. Now, we need to bonify. So, our point is that the two bills are not the same. Two, exemptions are not the panel. A man law now one day, the protection, the promotion, that advocacy now one day. From because some pioneer for being useful, avenues. It's literally because Ghana, I am maybe anywhere. Journalists echo reported and answer media editorial wants them no for LGBTQ channel musa so why do you do or why do you say the things you are saying?
Yeah, my pay. I'm more than grateful. Nanasa for MP was my friend a constituency. Now what is in common high EZRA TV, EZRA radio, and some MCS a very quick one.